Hello, everyone. Welcome to Court with Krissy. I'm not quite sure what flies higher in this small claims court hearing. The drone they're battling over, the tension between the plaintiff and the defendant, or maybe a lie that's being told. Help me decide. I hope you like it. Court with Krissy is now in session.
Yep, I'm here.
Okay,
I'm here.
We had you. Okay, one of you on video shortly, but we lost that person. So, I mean, I still see. Okay, you're on video, and Mr. Hughes, are you on video as well or not?
Oh, there we go.
Doesn't. Okay, good. Well, welcome. Okay. And this is a time set for the hearing in your case, and this is a small claims division of district court. In the small claims division of district court, you don't have as many rights as you do in the general division of district court. In the general division of district court, you have the right to have an attorney and pay for the attorney, right to have a jury trial, right to have an appeal. There's no appeal from the decision in the small claims division. You're also the right to sue up to $25,000. So if either side wishes to remove that, we can do that at this time. Otherwise, we'll proceed. So does the plaintiff, Ms. Stearns, do you wish to remove it today or do you wish to go forward?
I wish to go forward.
Okay, and Mr. Hughes, do you wish to go forward today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I'll swear you both in if you'll raise your right hands.
Oh, other hand.
Okay, do you swear or affirm that the testimony you give in this hearing will be the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. And Mr. Hughes, you're not driving right now, right?
No, I'm sitting on the side of the road, sir.
Okay, good. I had to stop one hearing because the person was actually driving. So, okay. And Ms. Stearns, you are the plaintiff, so you get to go first. And Mr. Hughes, I'll give you a full chance to be heard as well. And you're not to interrupt each other while you're going forward, okay? So, Ms. Stearns, I have your affidavit of claim, which the defendant has as well. Mr. Hughes, because you served that upon him, you're asking for $2,500 relative to a drone. So this is your chance to tell the court why you believe you're owed $2,500 for a drone, okay?
Okay. I had let Joe Hughes borrow it on the intention it was going to be given back. He says that he kept it because he was owed money, yet the guy that supposedly owed him money, we all hung out previously this year at downstate and everything was fine. I got nothing more extra to add. I mean, I just would like the drone back or the money. And then he said that he sold the drone.
Okay, and how much was the drone worth?
About $2,000.
Okay, so what does about $2,000 mean?
I don't have the bill of sale on me right now. I thought I sent it with the screenshots.
Okay, let me double check. Did you pay for that?
I am not the one who paid for it. I had borrowed it from somebody else.
So I have a document that says...
Well, it was mine and my ex-husband's.
Okay. So I have a document that says June 10th, 2022. And that one says $1,302.37. And that includes the sales tax. So is that for the drone or is that for something else?
That's for the drone. And the extra is the work lost, losing out, not being able to finish complete jobs.
Okay. And what jobs were those?
I couldn't really tell you right offhand. They were his jobs.
Okay. And who is his? Is that the other person?
Yes, Ryan Stearns.
Okay. And Ryan is related to?
He's my ex-husband.
Okay. Got it. And so did you have to pay Mr. Stearns for the jobs he lost?
No, I haven't.
So you're not out those monies. Ryan Stearns is out those monies,
Right,
right? Okay. So, and you own the drone, is that correct?
correct.
Okay. Okay, let's go to anything further you wish to say.
No,
Okay, Mr. Hughes, did you borrow the drone from Ms. Stearns?
No, I purchased it from her, and then whenever she went back to her husband, it turned into a big deal. And then in litigation, she admitted that it wasn't her drone; it was Ryan's drone that she sold. And at the time of me getting it, I wasn't aware that it was his until I submitted you pictures, the text messages, and everything of the threats and ongoing situation that it's been since it's happened.
Okay, let's back up a bit. So did you pay any money for that drone?
Yes, sir.
And who did you pay the money to?
Tashina.
And how much did you pay?
It was like $300 or $400. I do not honestly remember. If I had my old phone that didn't get busted, I would have more proof.
Okay.
But literally go through a phone a month, sadly.
And so when you paid $300 or $400, was that to borrow it or to buy it or what?
I thought I was purchasing it, then come to find out it does not belong to her. So I, I didn't know that whenever I got rid of it either. And then I submitted all the screenshots to you of the harassment pieces from there on in.
Yeah, I saw them. So do you still have the drone?
No, sir.
And what'd you do with the drone?
Honestly, to be 100% honest with you, my kids crashed it into the lake and we never got it back.
So, okay, so the drone's gone.
Gone, yeah. It's in the middle of Torch Lake somewhere.
Okay, and then when you bought the drone, did you pay cash? Or did you have a check for it, or
Yes.
you don't know how much you paid, but $300 to $400?
Correct, sir. And then in litigation, she admitted it wasn't hers. And they were asking her how she could sue me for something that wasn't hers, which is a obvious question that I was curious about too.
Let me get back to the plaintiff then. So was that your drone or was that someone else's drone?
that was mine and my husband's drone. We were married when we bought it, and in mediation, he admitted to selling the drone to a guy downstate for $400. He did not buy that drone from me, he borrowed it. If you were to, in mediation, he admitted, this is a totally another story he's telling. In mediation, he admitted to knowing whose drone it was and selling it to a guy downstate for $400 due to money owed.
That is correct. If I found out it was his, he does owe me money for not work for him. I did say that 100%. I'll own up to that.
So was it drowned or did you sell it?
Okay, wait, stop, please. This is a court of law you're in. You might think you're on the telephone or whatever, but this is a court of law. And we have to proceed in a certain way. Well, I give everybody a fair chance to be heard, but it's not Judge Judy where people argue back and forth, okay? I will not
Yes,
allow
sir.
that. And if we continue it, it might cost you both money. So, which would be paid to the court, not to the judge, okay? So we need to just act with cooler heads here, okay? Okay. So now did you sell that to someone downstate then?
No, sir. My kids crashed it.
Okay. Did you say that at a mediation?
No, I didn't say that in mediation. I was just saying stuff to make her mad, to be honest with you, sir.
What? So you're under
I
oath
wasn't-
and you're just saying something to make her mad?
I wasn't under oath then. They didn't have me swear in for that.
Okay, fair enough. Okay. Okay. Now, so you and your ex-husband own the drone, is that correct? at some
Yes.
point. Okay.
Yes,
Was that before or after you were divorced?
we bought it while we were married.
Okay. And then who ended up getting the drone in the divorce?
I had the drone.
Okay. So that was
I
after
had
the
borrowed
divorce.
it
That
from
was,
Ryan. No, I did
Okay.
not get it in the divorce. I had borrowed it from Ryan.
okay. So Ryan, your ex-husband, owned the drone then.
Yes.
Okay. Then, if you don't own the drone, how can you sue to get the drone back?
So what, Ryan would have to file a complaint?
Yeah, I think Ryan would have to file a complaint if he's the owner.
That's fine.
Okay. So I'm going to find there's no cause of action in this case, since the plaintiff didn't own the drone, and the person that's out the drone, if anyone, I'm saying if anyone, would be Mr. Stearns. So I'll dismiss this case. I will find no cause of action because you don't have ownership of it. I'm sorry. Okay. Good luck to both of you, and I hope both of you just kind of chill a little bit more. I don't want people getting angry in my courtroom. Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
Good to go.
Thanks.
You too.